Here's a little hypnotic tip for weight loss, for helping you get in the right mind frame to lose weight. So hypnosis is about getting ideas to change your mind, getting a set of words and a set of ideas to shift your emotional and psychological space. You implant the idea and it has an unconscious influence and impact on you. This is how, when you're tracking your food or whether you're getting on the scale, I know those are controversial things for some reason. I mean, really, when you think about it, there's the idea that you're going to step on the scale and that's going to create a sense of like anxiousness or pain or, you know, guilt or whatever, right? And then the people just can't deal with that. That is a little bit of cultural hypnosis. You know, the idea, I mean, in Japan, it's not like that. People get on the scale and they tell each other and they talk about it and they keep each other accountable. It's a cultural thing. Right, but here that just sounds like madness, you know, like what? How could you talk about your weight with people? But people keep each other accountable because they know it's healthy, and that's why their society is the oldest people in there. They've got the you know, they live the longest on average is in Japan, and I'd say the large part of that is because they have a culture of being open about that and not being weird about it and making a big fuss about it. So that's a bit of their cultural hypnosis. So we have ours. And I'm just saying we don't have to be a victim of any cultural hypnosis that anyone is swimming in, right? We just use it in a way that's going to help you. You jump on that scale, you start tracking your food and cultivate the idea that you want to influence you. So that idea is a bit of self-hypnosis. When you jump on the scale and you go, look, okay, it's up, you know, and you don't have to think about it. You don't think about it all day, but you just have it there. You've implanted it in your mind and you just allow it to be in your awareness. And when it's there, you think about eating. Am I going to eat that chocolate? Am I going to have that second serving? Am I going to, whatever it is, the fact that you've stepped on the scale and that number is in your mind, you know it's up. You know, whether you're thinking about it or not, it's in the back of your mind and influencing your decisions, influencing the way you're thinking and feeling. Same with the tracking. It's like when you're like, the greatest value of the tracking, I think it's not that you meticulously know every tiny little thing you've had, you know, and you get anxious about every tiny choice you make. It's not that. It's the fact that you're just paying attention to it, and that paying of attention is influencing you, is influencing the choices that you make. These are the ways that we influence ourselves unconsciously, right? So we're in a constant state of hypnotizing ourselves into an idea, into a state, into a feeling. It's a trance that we get into where it's like the scale is good, the scale is bad, the tracking is good and bad. You know, it's this thing that we cultivate and constantly buy back into. Really, the thing that I like to tell people is just track and watch your weight and just watch, literally just watch it. Like, and just see what influence that has on you. Nudge it in a way that's going to help you. Right, just cultivate. Okay, yep, cool. That's where it is. That's where my weight is. It's the judgment of something that starts distorting it. So you don't want it. You judge it as good, you judge it as bad, and then it's going to start to have that influence on you. So keep following along the channel and look around, and you're going to see a lot of ways in which you can help yourself reprogram your mind and get into that. You know, hypnotize yourself into ideas that help you. So I'll see you in the next one.